Lucky.
Yes,
That
it's
I
like
know.
expounding like
But
not just
she
in
is
Ontario.
based here in the Waterloo region. A round of applause, please, for Miss Vivian Leia Lucky.
Thank you so much to our wonderful host for that beautiful introduction. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. On behalf of the Filipino Women's Association, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you to the Southeast Asian Festival 2026, celebrating community, culture, and connection. Ngayong araw, nagsasama-sama tayo upang ipagdiwang ang mayamang kultura, makukulay na tradisyon, masasarap na pagkain, musika at mga kwento ng iba't ibang bansa sa Southeast Asia. Ngunit higit pa rito, ipinagdiriwang natin ang mga bagay na tunay na nag-uugnay sa atin. Ang ating komunidad, pagkakaisa at malasakit sa isa't isa. Our diversity is our strength. Each culture represented here carries generations of wisdom, values, and traditions that enrich the beautiful mosaic of our society. Through events like this, we create opportunities to learn from one another, foster understanding, and inspire future generations to embrace their heritage with pride while welcoming the richness of others. As members of diverse communities, we are reminded that our differences do not divide us, but they enrich us. Ang bawat kultura ay may natatanging ganda at karunungan na nagbibigay lakas sa ating lipunan. Through understanding and respect, we build bridges that connect people from all walks of life. As immigrants, community leaders, families, and friends, we understand the importance of belonging and connection. May this festival remind us that despite our different languages and backgrounds, we are bound by common hopes to create a brighter future, support one another, and leave a legacy of compassion and unity. I encourage everyone to participate wholeheartedly, make new friendships, celebrate our differences, and recognize the extraordinary power of community. Sa ating mga kabataan, may this celebration inspire you to embrace your heritage with pride while remaining open to learning from others. To our elders, thank you for preserving the traditions and values that continue to guide future generations. At sa bawat isa na narito ngayon, salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng isang komunidad na naniniwala sa pagkakaibigan, paggalang at pagkakaisa. Let this festival be a reminder that our diversity is our strength. Kapag tayo ay nagkakaisa, mas marami tayong magagawa para sa ating mga pamilya, sa ating mga komunidad at para sa susunod na henerasyon. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng organizers, volunteers, performers, sponsors at participants na naging daan upang maging matagumpay ang pagdiriwang na ito. Your dedication and hard work have brought this vision to life. As we celebrate today, may we continue to foster meaningful connections, uplift one another, and create communities where everyone can thrive. Muli, maligayang pagdating sa Southeast Asian Festival 2026. Naway mapuno ang araw na ito ng saya, inspirasyon, bagong pagkakaibigan at pagmamalaki sa ating mga pinagmulan. Together, let us celebrate community, culture, and connection. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Miss